Hi, I'm John Lane with Castle Rock Sprinkler Service, where we are all about beautiful lawns, efficient sprinkler systems, and festive holiday lights. Let me ask you this question. Would you like to conserve water and save money when irrigating your lawn? Well, according to the EPA, by replacing the standard clock timer with a smart controller, the average home will save 7,600 gallons of water each season. Smart clocks monitor local conditions and tailor watering schedules to the actual needs of the site without compromising the health and appearance of the lawn. If every home in the United States installed a smart controller, we could save $2.4 billion in water costs and 220 billion gallons of water from not overwatering. We have installed hundreds of these clocks, and our customers could not be more pleased with the performance and savings. And if you are like me and enjoy the benefits of technology, you can program and operate the system with a phone application, or just ask your smart home assistant to water your lawn. And if ease of use and saving water and money is not enough, how about a rebate? For instance, Castle Rock Water Utility will rebate up to $300 to homeowners when a standard clock is replaced with a smart clock. For a no-cost estimate or to schedule installation, call us today.